How to remove recently played songs on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove your recently played on Spotify. So first of all, open your Spotify app and now make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. And now once you're logged in, if you scroll down there, you'll see a list of all the recently played songs. So it will show you a maximum of 12 songs which you've played recently. So now there is no particular option as to how you can remove your recently played, but there is one way as to how you can hide it or minimize it. That is by simply playing other songs which you want to show on your recently played, so that these 12 will be pushed out of this list, and then the only songs which you want to appear over here will appear. And now once you've filled the recently played with the songs you like, you can simply scroll up and then tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down until you see the option social. There, tap on the first option, which is private session, and now from now onwards, whichever song you listen to will not show up on recently played, as you will be able to listen to music anonymously on Spotify. So those were the only ways as to how you can remove recently played songs on Spotify. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.